if you are designing a senior night poster for basketball season, this layout will save you hours. Open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size and type the size 4096 and the height 5467 pixel and click Create. And then upload your photo. Make the position like this. Make sure the head is in the center. First go to text or just press T on your keyboard. First I will type the number of the player. For example, 23. Change the font to a sport font like Yearbook Solid. I will place it here. I will duplicate it and type the position here. Point guard maybe. Reduce the size. Make it maximum 2 lines. And then type the first name here. I will use the same font. So I will duplicate it. For example, I will type Thomas. And then type the surname here. I will change the font to brass font. And then choose the brass font. For example, the name is Johansson. I'll place it here. And then type senior night here. I'll duplicate from this. Reduce the size. I will make it 1 line. I will increase more. And then type the name of the school here or the team basketball here. I will duplicate from this and reduce the size. Work simple. And then let's change the color. I would choose gold color for the font. And then I will add effect. I will add outline in black. And this name, I will change it to also outline. I will change the outline to gold and the text color to black. And this one, I will add the gold outline. And this senior night, I will make it just like the other text. And also this one, change to gold. And then add effect outline, black outline. For this senior night, I will go to effect and add curve like this. Okay, and I will move it down a little, and you can reduce the size if you want to, if the school name is longer than this. Okay, all right, and then click share, download as PNG or PDF, and then click download. So now you have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.